Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about modular arithmetic. Here, is it possible to represent the 24 hours of a day in 12 number format? Yes, we can use 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 12, and after 12 we can use 1 instead of 30 and 2 instead of 40 and so on. That is, after 12 we have to start from 1, 2, 3. The numbers wrap around only 1 to 12. This type of wrapping around after hitting some value is called modular arithmetic. Next, congruence modulo. A congruent B mod n. Here, n is called modulus. And A congruent B mod n means what? A minus B is divisible by n. For example, you see 61 congruent 5 mod 7. Because 61 minus 5 equal to 56. That number is divisible by 7. Okay, it's satisfied. If a positive integer is divided by n, then the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. For example, you take 8 mod 4. So, modulus 4 means the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. So we draw a diagram like a clock and make the numbers with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and we start with 0 and go through that 8 numbers in clockwise direction. That is 1 is 1, so 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. Again you start with 4, 0, 5 is 1 and 6 is 2 and 7 is 3 and 8 is 0. So answer is 8 congruent 0 mod 4. Exercise 2.3 we will discuss now. Find the least positive value of x such that 71 congruent x mod 8. We have to find out x. How will you find 71 divided by 8? Divided by 8 means 8 8s are 64, 8 is the quotient and 71 minus 64, 7 is the remainder. So you can write it as the remainder. So 71 congruent 7 mod 8. Therefore x equal to 7. So we will check also that is 71 minus 7 equal to 64. That number is exactly divisible by 8. Therefore x equal to 7. Next, 78 plus x congruent 3 mod 5. So here 78 plus x, it will come to this side minus 3, so equal to 5n. So 5n for some integers n. So 78 minus 3 is 75 plus x equal to 5n. That means 75 plus x equal to any multiple of 5. So 75 plus 5 equal to 80. 80 is a multiple of 5 only. Therefore the least value of x is 5. Next, 89 congruent bracket of x plus 3 closing bracket mod 4. So come to the left hand side, 89 minus bracket of x plus 3 closing bracket equal to 4n for some integers n. So you expand 89 minus x minus 3 equal to 4n, that is 89 minus 3 is 86, 86 minus x equal to 4n, that is it is a multiple of 4. So we can subtract 86 minus 2 equal to 84. That number is a multiple of 4. Therefore x value must be 2. Next question. 96 congruent x by 7 mod 5. So take it into your left hand side. 96 minus x by 7 equal to 5n for some integer n. So 7 into 96 is 672 minus x by 7 equal to 5n. that divide will come to the right hand side, it will multiply. So 7 5s are 35n. So that 672 minus x is a multiple of 35. Therefore, the least value of x must be 7. So if you subtract the number 672 minus 7 equal to 665, that number is a multiple of 35. Therefore, the x value must be 7. Next, 5x congruent 4 mod x. So take it into 4 left hand side, 5x minus 4 equal to 6n. Next, 5x equal to 6n plus 4. Therefore, x value equal to 6n plus 4 by 5. We substitute the value for n equal to 1. We get it 6 into 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 by 5 equal to 2. So n equal to 6. Why we are taking n equal to 6 means 6 minus 1 equal to 5, because that number should be a multiple of 5. Therefore, we take it next number n equal to 6. X equal to 6, 6 are 36 plus 4 by 5, 40 by 5 equal to 8. Next, we will take n equal to 11, because 11 minus 6 equal to 5. N equal to 11, we will find some value also. So I got the value 40. But we have to find out the least value only. So therefore, the least value of x equal to 2. Next, if x is congruent to 13 modulo 17, then 7x minus 3 is congruent to which number modulo 17? First, we will write the equation x congruent 13 mod 17. Next one, 7x minus 3 congruent which number? Let the number be a. So 7x minus 3 congruent a mod 17. First, we will find out x. After, we will substitute the value for x in 7x minus 3. That is the rule. So x minus 13 equal to 17n for some integer n. So x minus 13 is a multiple of 17 only. So the least value of x is what? Least value. If you subtract the number, you will get the multiple of 17. So the least value of x is 30 minus 13 equal to 17. So the least value of x equal to 30. So next we substitute the value for x equal to 7x minus 3. Therefore 7 into 30 minus 3 congruent a mod 17. Therefore multiple 7 into 30, 210 minus 3 congruent a mod 17. 207 congruent a mod 17. So 207 means, so you divide by 17, you get the remainder 3. Therefore the value of a equal to 3. Solve 5x congruent 4 mod 6. 5x congruent 4 mod 6. Therefore, we take it into 4 left hand side. So, 5x minus 4 equal to 6n. Already we discussed this sum. But we have to find the solutions here, not the least value. So, 5x minus 4 equal to 6n for some integer n. Therefore, if 5x equal to 6n plus 4, x equal to 6n plus 4 by 5, we have to substitute the value for n equal to 1. So x equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2 and n equal to 6 means x equal to 36 plus 4 by 5, 45 by 5 equal to 8 and n equal to 11, 6 into 11, 66 plus 4, 70, 70 by 5 equal to 40. Therefore, the solutions are 2, 8, 14, etc. Next, solve 3x minus 2 congruent 0 mod 11. Therefore, 3x minus 2 equal to 11n for some integer n. Next, 3x equal to 11n plus 2. We have to put n value. N value divided by 3 exactly divisible. Therefore, we take it into n equal to 2, 5, 8. Its difference must be 3. So, 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. We take such values. So n equal to 2 means 11 2s are 22 plus 2 24 by 3 equal to first value x equal to 8. If we put a n equal to 5, 11 5s are 55 plus 2 57 by 3. So cancel it. So you get it 19. If we put n equal to 8, 11 8s are 88 plus 2 90 by 3 30. Therefore x equal to 8, 19, 30, etc. What is the time? 100 hours after 7 a.m. So 7 comes every 12 hours. So we take it mod 12. Therefore our equation 100 congruent x mod 12. So 100 divided by 12 means 8 12s are 96 and the remainder is 4. Therefore we take it x equal to 4 because that least value they ask. So 100 congruent 4 mod 12, that is the least value of x is 4. Therefore the time 100 is after 7 o'clock means we can add. So 7 plus 4 equal to 11 o'clock, that is 11 a.m. Understood? Next question, what is the time 15 hours before 11 p.m. Before means minus. So 15 congruent, here also we take it mod 12. 15 congruent x mod 12. 15 divided by 12 means 1 12 is 12. So remainder is 3. So x equal to 3. The value of x is 3. So here before they are asking though. So the time 15 hours before 11 o'clock means 11 minus 3 equal to 8 p.m. So today is Tuesday. My uncle will come after 45 days. In which day my uncle will be coming? Already we know that number of days in a week equal to 7 days. Here given days 45. So 45, that's why we are taking mod 7. So 45 congruent x mod 7. Take it into x left hand side. So 45 minus x equal to 7n for some integer n. So we have to find out some multiple of 7. So x equal to 45 minus 3, if you put it 42, 42 is a multiple of 7. Therefore the value of x is 3. So today is Tuesday only. After 3, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Therefore uncle will come on Friday. To the power n plus 6 into 9 to the power n is always divisible by 7 for any positive integer n. First we can write it 2 to the power n plus 6 into 9 to the power n. We substitute n value equal to 1. We get it 2 to the power 1 plus 6 into 9 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 6 into 9 to the power 1 means 9. 6 into 9 54. 2 plus 54 equal to 56 is divisible by 7. It is satisfied. So next we will give the value n equal to 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 6 into 9 squared is 81. 81 into 6 is 486. 4 plus 486 equal to 490. That is also divisible by 7. So we can tell it as it is always divisible for any positive integer n. It is proved. Find the remainder when 2 to the power 81 is divided by 17. We can write it as 2 to the power 81 congruent x mod 17. We can split it and write it because a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. One rule is there. So from that we can write it as 2 to the power 40 into 2 to the power 40 into 2 to the power 1 congruent x mod 17. So again we can split a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. From that 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 10 into 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 10 into 2 to the power 1 congruent x mod 17. Here 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16 to the power 10 into 16 to the power 10 into 2 congruent x mod 17. Again you split it. 16 to the power 5 2s are 10. A to the power m whole to the power n. 16 to the power 5 whole squared into 16 to the power 5 whole squared into 2. Again you can write it as 16 to the power 5 is what? Congruent 16 mod 70. So you substitute the value 16 to the power 5 is what? 16. So 16 squared mod 70. 16 squared is 256. 256 mod 17 because Here congruent 1 mod 17, because 255 is divisible by 17, therefore the remainder is 1. Okay, therefore our answer is 16 to the power 5 whole squared into 16 to the power 5 whole squared into 2 equal to, here it will come 1 into 2, that is 2. Therefore 2 to the power 81 congruent 2 mod 17, therefore x equal to here 2. Duration of flight travel from Chennai to London through British Airlines is approximately 11 hours. The airplane begins its journey on Sunday at 23:30 hours. If the time at Chennai is 4.5 hours ahead to that of London time, then find the time at London. When will the flight lands at London airport? First, duration of time is what? Duration of the flight from Chennai to London is 11 hours. So starting time, that is 23:30. So you can add 23:30 plus 11, 34:30. We can write it as 24-hour format. Therefore, we take it as mod 24. So 34:30 minus 24 is what? 10:30 mod 24. So here the condition is ahead, 4.5 hours ahead to that of London time. Therefore 10:30 minus 4:30 equal to 6. 6 mod 24. Therefore at 6 a.m. on Monday, the flight will reach at London airport. Understood, students? Thank you.